Fix the Avira Antivirus not updating error. For quick solutions. Method 1. Temporarily disable Windows Defender. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. Select Update and Security, then click on Windows Security. Step 3. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 4. Turn off real-time protection and close the window. Method 2. Disable web protection temporarily on Avira. Step 1. Open the Avira Antivirus program and click the Settings icon on the top right side of the screen. Step 2. Select Internet Protection, then disable Web Protection. Step 3. Once done, try to update and see if it works. Method 3. Reinstall Avira. Step 1. Click the Windows search bar, search Uninstall and open Add or Remove Programs. Step 2. Locate your Avira program, select it and click Uninstall. Step 3. Click Uninstall again in the prompt to proceed. Step 4. Select Yes in the User Account Control window. Step 5. Select Uninstall when the Avira window appears and it'll start uninstalling. Step 6. The uninstallation process will take some time. Step 7. When you've successfully uninstalled the program, click Restart Device and wait for the system to turn back on. Step 8. Open the web browser and navigate to the official Avira website. Step 9. Download the program and open the downloaded file. Step 10. In the new Avira window, click Agree and Install and the installation process will take a few minutes. Step 11. After installing, select the plan you were using previously. Step 12. Once done, go ahead and perform a smart scan. Method 4. Update Avira manually. Step 1. Open the web browser and navigate to the official Avira virus definition file update website. Step 2. Scroll down and click Download the Avira update tool, choose a file location and click OK. Step 3. Once the download is complete, extract the downloaded file, then run the executable file. Step 4. Once the Fuse bundle reaches 100%, exit the program. Step 5. Click the Windows Start button, locate and click the Avira folder drop-down. Step 6. Click Start Avira Antivirus and wait for the program to load. Step 7. Click Update on the top bar and select Manual Update. Step 8. When the open screen appears, click the File drop-down and select NVDF Update File. Step 9. Select the VDF Fuse bundle file and click Open. Step 10. The update process will begin, which will take some time. Step 11. Once the update is complete, restart the computer. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.